Alright, so look how absolutely effed up this tire is. Tread on is just gone. This bike is probably, these tires are brand new. I bought the bike, so it's like 2 months old. Not even that. Yeah, 2 months. Maybe 2.5, maybe 3, I don't know. These tires are fucking obliterated. Chain ain't far behind. Sprocket. Yeah. Shit. Shock might be out too, because the tire comes up pretty far. It's the exhaust pipe. What else did I do? Spray painted this because I was bored. Woohoo. And then I thought this would be pretty cool. Full stripe. Black paint. I wish I could replace these fucking things. Both these tires, the front one's out far behind at the back. And the sprocket and all that crap, but basically the opposite of what Biggie Smalls said. Less money, more problems. Fucking A, I'm so broke. I need to get a new job. I need one quick. But anyway, I'm applying a bunch of different places, dealerships. I almost got one at a Toyota dealership the other day. I'm trying to get one at a Ford dealer. I'm applying everywhere, but once I do call back. Also, I got this little, because the bike's now registered and I'm riding on the street more. Got this little bag thing as well as CD holders that you put your CDs in a little sleeve. In fact, I cut all those out. That's them right there. But you know, you got room for in here. I think you got room for documents and other crap, and I carry around this little flask with water in it. Not a drinking ride, but it's a nice little compact thing to put water. I'll put that in here. But, yeah, it's registered now, and I need to get this thing fixed because I can't ride it like this much longer. Less money, more problems. Dad's working on the Buick. First time in a while I was actually doing anything to it. So this is what the inside of the Buick looks like without a lot of plastic stuff on it. Yeah, a brake pad issue on it, and I just fixed it, I think. I don't know. And here you see the 3.8 liters of glorious turbo V6 power. With the hood held up by wherever the fuck that is, because the gas struts are gone to hell. Yeah, there it is. .8 New York. Yeah, whatever. Slow night I just need to get a new job, get new tires, new chain, all that stuff, and then repaint my truck, which looks like a giant brown turd rolling down the, or green turd rolling down the road. Yeah, I know. Less money, more problems, I guess, and more bullshit. Because every time I fucking try to get a job, it's the same BS. Yep.